Then I gave it to our friends in the grave, not that they get jealous. So we were having a feast in the graveyard. Always watch over me and guide me. See some of you.
She don't drink it, but she can't get her friend then.
You understand? Watch you, see me again on some, yeah?
I stole that time now.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jamaican Pineapple from your city face. You don't know, you need no introduction. I your girl there, I know. Anyways, as I told you guys before that, no, I'm for continue the video without say thank you for everybody liking, commenting, and subscribing to Jamaican Pineapple TV. What would Jamaican Pineapple TV be without you guys liking, supporting, and sharing? Thank you so much for being a part of this movement. Anyways, me could just go right to the nitty-gritty, kind of itching not around here, so is it? Anyways, as I told you guys, my birthday was not finished. I almost celebrated all of my visit or holiday or whatever you want to call it. My little trip at Jamaica, my little trip abroad, my little trip in the islands. It was a celebration. Oh no, it's a celebration every time we link up.
It's a celebration every time we link up, yeah. When the rich no fuck like.
So guys, it has been amazing in Montego Bay, but now it's time to go to Port Antonio to look for the rats, the cats, the chicken, every goddamn thing. My dad, I love this man. It's gonna be so much fun with him because he's awesome. I know you guys are going to love him as well. Check it out. Boom, bang. Port Antonio is my parish. Big up every Portlanders. A matter of fact, big up everybody who come from Love Lane. And they saw me born and grow, they saw them cut me neighbor string. But big up the whole 14 parish of Jamaicans. Anyways, on a journey going to Port Antonio and stopped off in Otrius, in St. Anne's Bay, went to Duns River Fall and had a glorious time. It was nice, you know, just climbing the falls, the waterfalls, walking in the water. It has been earthly. I've been connected to earth. Yeah, as some did feel come like the water. Like in Nigeria, they would call me mommy water. Like a mermaid. That's, yeah, I love water. And Elvis loves it too. From Duns River, we head on back, continue our journey. If you don't know Jamaica, you know, so when you got a long journey that from Montego Bay to Port Antonio, you know, I will stop at Ochi. And, you know, branch off at Ochi and then continue our way to Port Antonio. So when we finally reach in Portland, I told the driver to stop, like when he entered Port Antonio and he reached at the square, like which had Sangin Supermarket. If you know Sangin Supermarket, say hi. Sangin Supermarket, as the driver stopped at Sangin Supermarket, I told him that he should stop driving. And I went out, I get out of the car and I walked my way into Love Lane where I grew up. So I walked that area, I looked at my school and whatever. Then I went to the hotel. And then I wanted to actually just get my things there. I just wanted to just put my things down and go back out in the street. People, tired. I slept off. I didn't do the road that night there. So the next day, I don't know who told my father that I'm there. So you know, say me reach a Jamaica right now, me there Portland. This man no leave me alone. Me say in the morning when me reach out at the hotel reception, my father was already there waiting for me. So I went out with my father and my brother and my sister. We went eating and you know the little family stuff and had a little time with each other. Elvis went to the barber shop at Farmy Building, and shout out to every barber at Farmy Building. It is the best haircut he ever got in his life. So big up on yourself in Puerto Antonio. So from there, we went to Boston.
Yeah. Friend, we came out Jamaica by one Jamaica soda.
Which part you want, guys? Where are you?
Chicken and rice. I say what me not say.
What you say? Flat grass, I use flat grass for true. Something about flat grass. Now you talk about flat grass.
Calm down.
Yo, where is?
Let me tell you what me say.
What you say?
Me say you want to see how me a fight hard with the one. I come from way up Boston.
Yeah.
You see me? So you say a Boston you run go, me say yes, flat grass up on the car.
No! Mr. Boston, you run go, you said no! A flat grass! Go stop!
I you say we are go farther than Boston and flat grass.
Let me iron it out now.
Yes,
flat
man.
grass up on the car. Yeah. When I go there.
All right. Wow, but this is deep.
Wow.
Yeah, man. It's so
Look around
beautiful.
there, sir. Use the video angle also. Like surely click at the scene.
Yeah, man. This is so beautiful, man. It's so lush. And the Sunday evening, afternoon, and now we're rafting on the Rio Grande, and it can't be better than this. It's so beautiful. I'm taking two lovely couples down the river Grande at this Sunday evening afternoon. And trust me, this trip is not over. We just started, and trust me, it's gonna be a twilight trip. And this trip is gonna be so beautiful. We don't want to finish. We don't want to finish. I could tell you this, man.
Bam. So at this moment, I'm in Port Royal. Went to Gloria's to have because I heard so much. Oh, Gloria's is nice and blah blah blah. So I've been to Gloria's, and I must say, as I told you, Jamaican Pineapple TV is raw. For me personally, the service was totally bullshit. Sorry, maybe we have to put a beeper. The service wasn't good. We waited extremely long. The people were unfriendly. The food, my fish was too dry. The what you call it, the bami, never nice. But 10 brothers, 10 different minds. I didn't get a good fully service for the money that has been spent. So make we take away the negative things and go back to something positive. There was on a Friday evening a gathering, a big thing in Port Royal where they had crab, they had lobster, they had the best jerk, they had conch, curry conch, roast conch, every kind of conch where you want. You got it in Port Royal on that Friday evening. And the people were lovely. It's a little small community that get together. Music was playing. A lot of cars drove by to buy food, and we had a lovely time. So the next day I wake up fresh and good. Then Elvis decides, say, oh, today we are going downtown. I say, go down where? He said, we are going downtown. So people, the most marvelous part of this journey is that we took the bus. We took the bus from Port Royal to downtown. And we only paid $100 Jamaican on the bus. And I say, if this is a long journey, $100 Jamaican, this is a good deal. And the bus, everything was on point. AC in a bus nice and clean. Or as a country girl, them say town bad and downtown, man, we kill you and man, we rob you and this and that and that. And I have to say, I personally have never experienced that. So what when it comes to think about it, you can learn from other people's mistake, but you never, ever in life should take a next man experience to judge a situation. Sometimes you have to go out there yourself and experience things on your own. Because if I supposed to listen to the million of people that say downtown bad, I wouldn't be there. I would still have this mindset that no, downtown no good, downtown bad, this and that. But I've been downtown. I went to a corner shop and eat curry chicken and rice and sit down there with Elvis and we eat box food. Nobody don't look at me and say nothing. Nobody don't trouble me or say nothing. Because every big city is a jungle. So if you are in Berlin and you go certain areas in Berlin, you're going to get some type of problem. If you're in America and go to Bronx or Brooklyn or whatever, you get there's going to be something. If you're in England and go to London, there is something there. So every big city is a jungle. That is the way it is. And I hate when people are just going to like stigmatize a country or a specific area because certain type of people live there. So we know what we're not getting at that because me I talk too much anyway. So boom bang, I reach back at my hotel in the night. Me just did at the bar, I'd have some drinks and I was just normal. I was just saying I was relaxing. All of a sudden Elvis said we are going to go for loose cannon because him make birthday sitting there going for loose cannon. So I don't think I was too extreme. I was extremely overwhelmed. I was even running. Guys, I ran to get my slippers because I was wearing, so I don't even remember what happened. I wasn't fully dressed, so I ran to get slippers. I came back and I don't know, it was lovely though. I had a nice time. On loose cannon.
How would you feel if she held you down and hurt you? Try to try, but she never could escape you. She wasn't loved, and I'm asking to have.
Big shout out, big happy birthday shout out to Tika. On the strong. Pick up some of the loose cannons, Swin. Tika, how you doing?
Yeah!
Enjoy yourself. Kayla, how you doing? On the strong, how you doing? Like I said, 10 o'clock.
My palms all sweaty and my hands all shaky. Yeah, I call this living in the moment. Stars on my line, I'ma listen to the omen. I'm having visions of you holding me, so can you know this, please? You got me caught up in the moment. Before I met you, my heart was frozen.
Happy birthday to you. We're going to bless it up now. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Sing it. May the good Lord bless you.
Your birthday was shot. Forget the cake and bring the top top. Get the vodka top injection. Everybody got around the cake and get chopped. Let's go for the good dance and bring it up. Cause when you birthday, you take the right spot. Everybody start sing, everybody start happy it's not no movie, but you was trying to see us. It's not no watch me.
Straight from the bottom. It's your birthday. I know your Thursday. Shots. So check him up on YouTube and take the boss up. What if I What bartender looks so? Oh, you look so? Like you're not busy enough, you know. Come get the bartender busy, please. Let's go.
I had a nice time on Loose Cannon, and from there we went to Emancipation Park the next day, and then later on in the night, a friend of mine came to pick us up. Yeah, go fuck up a party tonight. I just stop. No, sir. No. A joke thing this. This must be a fucking joke because I can't believe the reception closed. Front desk closed at this time and not even 1 o'clock yet, and the front desk is closed. This is impossible. What type of system is this? This is fucked up. I am pissed. And brought the kinky, like the sensimania. Me can't do them something there, but we didn't smoke it anyways. And then we went to, like, I don't know if it's All-Star Thursday. We went to All-Star Thursday and our next party. One of the most important things that I've done on this whole journey, I went to clean the grave. TV. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys so much. And wait and watch out for your next episode of beer niceness, rawness, everything you can look for. You know I'm emotional as well. I'm not just this loud. You don't know. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Jamaican Pineapple TV.